I don't even think they were aiming at Will. I think Will was collateral.
I don't think you aim a bomb.
Oh, you run
It's
towards
kind of
someone.
whom it may concern.
Yeah.
Speaking of.
Oh,
It concerns
man, they just go around that corner, don't they?
Yeah. Okay.
I am actually physically on the middle of the point by the resupply box, so I have it covered until I die.
What the
Oh.
fuck?
J-Paul, don't stand
42
there.
meters?
Oh, did I?
Someone's behind. Yeah, I'm running by. Just heads up. Never mind. Pray.
To get a flashbang and a Makarov.
I don't need a light carrier.
Will, why?
What do you mean, Will? Why?
You flashbang multiple people. You're at fault.
You stabbed me in the eyes.
Yeah. Oh, this is not the gun I wanted.
That's not a gun.
That's why I said it's not the one I wanted.
You said it's not the gun I wanted. That wasn't a gun.
It's a good knife.
It's a goodness.
Jesus fucking.
What's your pharaoh? Oh.
I'm getting killed by them, my teammates.
All the above. Frag. Uh-oh.
Oh my god! Bro got a triple.
Will, tell me you were spectating me.
I was.
God. It was so funny.
He just spun around and there he was.
Heard him. Did you not respawn?
No.
Did you not respawn?
You killed me way too late.
Oh,
Yeah, you put them when the round had actually started, J-Paul.
Oh, for me, we were still preparing. My apologies, good sir.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
preparing counts as a, you can die during preparing.
Will just killed me while we were preparing. What do you mean?
No, I didn't. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
We're gonna have a knife fight eventually.
This is your twin brother. I murdered your brother. Mosin.
Oh! Oh, fire.
Well, you were on fire.
Oh, that's you. Sorry. My apologies. Sorry.
You know, people's doing it intentionally.
If you do this from my perspective, you can understand why I would shoot.
You motherfucker. RPG!
Christ. Surprise will help you soon.
Fuck you, bitch! I missed.
Oh, hey, RPG!
Hey,
I'm
RPG!
happy you missed because I shot him too. That's the worst thing. He killed us before the RPG exploded. I was about to say, if you did hit me, I would have reactionary shot the RPG I just picked up. That would have been my first gut reaction.
They can't shoot through this.
Oh!
We are invulnerable. Ow!
Oh, I got.
We are definitely not invulnerable.
What happened? I hate the grease gun.
Dad, may I knife your head?
Me? No.
Yeah, okay.
At least he asked permission for you.
Yeah.
Knife the head if you enjoy the taste of 308.
Do not come over here, I'll shoot you.
Hang on, he said if I enjoy the taste of 308. Fuck.
I don't know what's going on anymore.
Oh.
3.6 meters with a Mosin. Left, 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 left. There's like a bunch of them to the left. Yes, just put your heads right one in front of the other.
Up.
Oh, Paul's not here.
Paul, get in here. Why are we killing now with the match just
That was
just
during the
begun?
game.
Fuck.
I respawned, luckily.
To emails.
What emails?
I'm dead.
Tell us all about your personal information.
Oh, you got bonked.
Well, my social
I got
security
bombed
number
there.
is
I'm like, wait, what?
Hang on, I don't have my pen. I don't have my pen. I don't have my pen. I'm running in. I'm running in. I don't know what you think I meant when I said I'm running in.
I didn't figure you would run in front of me as I was actively firing.
I said I'm running in. I was waiting for you to stop shooting, and then you stopped shooting for a second, and then you kept shooting. And
I
your
just slightly
pelvis
sliced you in
height.
half. It's okay.
Your pelvis height, so.
Those legs will regrow.
When? Dan.
That was sad.
How are you alive?
We don't know.
Well,
You almost ate a slug.
give me that.
Oh, there's still some human remains on that. No, I'm Will.
You're gonna be my 13th reason why.
Oh, come on.
Only 13, jeez.
Only 13. What happened, buddy?
Eh?
How many hours have I been at work? Everyone's another reason.
Damn straight. I'll drink to
I
that.
have 467,000 reasons why.
Oh, we're going up. I'm behind you, by the way.
Hide behind you, by the way. These bitches aren't dying. There we go.
What are you talking about? They're dead.
Hello.
Oh,
Why did you kill Makuni?
Because he killed you.
He did
I
it.
did
no, he
not.
didn't.
Wait, what? I watched him shoot you.
No, an enemy killed
No, I
Makuni.
got headshotted from 7 meters away through the door.
All I saw was Makuni shoot you. And he died.
What the fuck happened that game? Like, I'm like, my brain is fried.
Playboys were about as competent as actual insurgents.
Nice.
Now we're just kicking debris. Demo, we have shockingly different approaches to light machine guns.
Yeah.
You have like 2 shots left.
Yup.
That I would have taken the damn machine gun.
Hey, you gotta get a kill with it. There you go. You gotta get a kill with it.
They got a
Boy.
That's not a good knife.
You getting it?
Respect, Will. Together, brother.
There were like 3 of them on the stairs.
Kind of me.
I got Counter Strike.
Oh my god.
Makuni, what the
They found the stairs.
Makuni, what the
Well-
fuck? You got a smart gun? What was that shit?
Oh my god.
Man
What
happened
is
to be
happening?
shooting right there at the time. I know, that was like,
What
Hey.
the fuck?
He has a bot.
Head detected. Most headshots, Makuni. I watched him just hit fire all of that.
Makuni fucking.
I turned the corner and fired a pistol and headshot the fucking.
I'm pretty sure Makuni actually turned on aimbot.
Okay. I have an SPS. I'll shut that door. Kicking up the door.
I had a grenade launcher, damn it!
I want to put out Makuni got someone with a door.
He got a door breach.
I did too.
How?
I kicked the door randomly and
No, not that. How did they survive the fucking shots?
They didn't.
I don't know. Oh my god! What the hell?
The army arrived. Hey, every day I'm shaking.
All day, every day.
Paul, take out that good knife.
This is a threat. Welcome to London. No,
I died so you can live.
Oh my god!
I fired all one.
You did it from 14.3 meters.
Somebody run it and just.
I was alive for once. That was the longest life I've had. It's getting hot in here.
Okay.
So shoot yourself in the head.
Do it. Do it, Paul. Straight down. Rocket jump.
No.
Rocket jump.
No.
Take 4.
Listen, we're not allowed to actually ever complete the first one.
Back. Life. I see a shank target. Just don't turn around. Please, for the Lord.
Lord, I'm on the way.
Please, he turned around.
I aimed at the enemy, pulled the trigger once, and popped the orca.
Maybe I should go back to work.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's too many.
Oh, wow, Will. Yeah.
I got him.
Take one for the road.
Fuck.
I haven't been alive long enough to qualify.
Neither have I, okay?
You don't need it. You have aimbots.
His selective
Oh,
aimbot.
apparently I'm aimbot now, so.
Oh, no.
Jim Paul, pick up a gun. Just pick up a
I
gun.
Watch
can't. I haven't killed it.
Oh, wow, where? Why me?
Behind command.
No, not us. Not us.
Oh.
Damn it, Will. Watch out.
All right,
I'm walking by.
Here we
I'm
go.
walking by.
Yeah, baby! God damn it.
Gotta kill.
Someone 3 samurais now.
Saw it.
Welcome to my death fucking staircase, Makuni.
Am I?
Yup. Go do it, buddy. Cha-cha, real smooth.
All right, you can do this. You can do this. How do I get out of here? Yeah!
And there's
Oh,
the
hell
staircase
yeah.
that killed, I think, 3 people. Right there, that's the staircase.
Yes!
I can see. I can fight.
I can see. I can fight.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Just come here. Just come here. Just come here.
Oh my god.
Will,
Nice.
I got way too many kills. J. Paul, are you proud of me yet?
What?
I got.
They never did. They were actively like, yeah, hey, gun gods, take a shot.
You say cum gods?
It's a gun.
The cum god. Take a shot.
You definitely have to aim for the head.
wow. Oh my god!
Oh,
Execution.
I would have
for
been
one.
2 of you.
Oh. Yep.
you can't get a kill like that. Excuse me.
Yes. I'm free.
Well, you died, so gotta restart. It's observer.
No one.
Is it just me?
No,
You got
we're all
this.
here.
It's you.
Yep, you got a whole team behind you.
Yep.
We are all
well,
alive and well.
Yep. We're all covering.
Well, I didn't even get to play.
Welcome to the club, Dan.
This is why you don't play door chicken with J. Paul.
It wasn't. I was just going through the door.
That's door chicken with J. Paul around.
I was just trying to open the door.
You should have taken out like a knife.
Everyone saying click, click, click.
That's what the knife is for. The knife never goes click.
I was trying to open the door and he just fucking ran through me.
It took too long.
You're my aim trainer, buddy.
Aim that, bitch.
You didn't.
Oh.
Be dead.
Me looking in the mirror every morning.
Reloading. Yeah, behind me.
I didn't pick the.
There's too many. There's too many. You'll have to pick something up. Oh my god. That was literally where you were standing. Pick up. If I'm ever in the mood to chill. There you go. Hi there. Nice to meet ya. Shot in the balls. Now you're dead.
Behind you.
Yep. Thanks.
You give love a bad name?
Stop coming in my door.
It's not the line.
Might as well be. I can't put a single shell. I can't put one shell. Let me reload. Are you? Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Fuck off! Everybody die!
Are you
I'm
okay?
crashing out. Move, J. Paul. Just move. I got it. They don't
I'm
want.
dead, bro.
Who are you, Paul? I don't know. I don't care.
Is he okay?
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
He's fucking losing it.
Stairs is not in play. Oh, this is a bad tool to have.
Ow.
Say, Paul, how you doing?
I wasn't looking. What was the tool?